Welcome back to the latest instalment of the extension at 35A.
These are all for that side, Roger, so I'll get 14, there's going to be 13 stacked there, and one left as a template.
Is your template this one?
Yeah. Basically, I've got all the bows facing upwards, so the weight of the roof will only ever straighten the roof.
Yeah.
It won't come in anymore. These are stress graded, so it doesn't really matter so much. And so what we're doing now is, by having a really good straight template, is we're sliding it up and down the timbers and making sure that the majority of the timber fits within the template.
Yeah.
And therefore, we can end up with a really flat surface for the plasterboard. The good thing about a template, Roger, is take all the undulations out and get the axes in the right position. And the eave sits flat, the soffit sits level. It's a really nice job.
I know, yeah, it's not mine, mate. It's nothing to do with us. It's the boy inside.
Well, the good thing is my eave, because we're using a 6x2, my eave actually sits quite a lot over the brickwork, so it's going to be really well supported. So when we fix it up with the Paslode second fix nailer, perfect. It's really handy having regularised timber though, because obviously you get the top flat for the roof and the bottom flat for the ceiling. There's no worries. It's and it's good material, this. Stress graded. And it's a bit of a cliche when you talk about construction, and then if someone says, we did this, we did that, just say Stonehenge. End of conversation. Cut all the rest of these now, and then we're there. We're all cut. We just need to assemble then. The best bit. The mundane bit. I noticed that then, yeah. Well, this is the first of the Veluxes.
Yeah.
And I'm going to put it to suit the window. So I'm going to put a double in. So it's not the actual one that goes in. It's going to be its double, which is on the inside of the line we put in now. Then I'm going to back it up with another one afterwards once I'm fixed through the ends into the timbers.
What you want in life, isn't it?
Yeah, this is the Velux one now.
Puts me in a good mood.
Guys, I'm putting these trimmers close together, okay, and then instead of having the last two rafters close together, I'm having these close together and respacing those at the correct spacing, alright? So by doing that, we haven't got to go and get additional timber because we've got enough lengths.
Got another.
Just the next one, the next pair you need. Alright?
Is it nice being in the sun?
It's better in the daughter. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7. No, 6, that's not on there.
You can get this or the DeWalt one.
Oh, I see, because you've got a sliding...
Yeah, get the DeWalt one.
Yeah.
Don't like the colour.
Just buy the brackets.
Don't like the colour. Can't stand that yellow.
Right.
I bet it's all right when they give it to you. I know it isn't.
Paslode, yeah. I'm Mr. Paslode.
Oh no, this see. I bet DeWalt gave you that.
You don't need to stop now.
Okay.
I only like high standards.
Message received and understood, Roger.
Yeah. Because I'm offended. You know, I trusted you before.
1,690 millimetres.
To my pocket, Steve. Yeah, into my pocket, mate. Always look in my pocket before you look anywhere else.
I would, if you've got regularised timber, I would just cut them the same, put them hard against that, level them, hold the level and literally fix them and get bang on there.
I was thinking of doing that, but then I thought you'd...
No, I think you've got the right idea there.
Now, if you once we get a length.
Once we get a length from the Boy Wonder up there. Is there one inside, do you think?
What?
There's 18 volt. Yeah. I preferred the bag of nuts, mate.
Well, the bag's got a hole in it.
Oh yeah. That's where the nuts come out.
I was going to give you the bag.
Cheers.
They all fell out.
Oh, is it? Oh, it's still a manual version, isn't it?
Yeah.
No, at the front. By the bag.
Because I can't hold it, see, I'm not good enough.
You're about an inch over there, though, Rod.
Oh, am I? Which side? No. It's easier for me to get it right now.
Bolt these together. You can get these in about 5 metre length as well. So if you're doing some really, let's say for example you're doing some sort of flooring with a step, and you've got to take the first level of flooring. You can run it all along. You can lay this Festool on, and it's chip free, completely chip free, and it'll cut such a clean, dead straight line. We've done it before. We've had to actually recess in the finished floor a track for a pin in a sliding door. The flooring was run at 45 degrees, so we ran all the floor through, and then we just did a series of grooves with this, and it was absolutely spot on. And is it on the end of the will go, won't it? I've rebaited the bottom now. Okay.
That's touching the wall now.
And the back, yeah.
And the back.
Okay,
and
just
flush at the front.
This is a new straight nailer now. The upgraded one, absolutely fantastic. Really has got a lot of new features.
Them out over the phone. He said to me, use Trisode.
rock. One of the advantages of using a compressor in that is you can go and pick one like that up for about 45 quid.
Yeah, I know.
Something like that.
I've got one in there.
Yeah, about 200, isn't it?
They're really good, yeah. I mean, the compressor we'll have out later and
yeah. But,
try
you know,
all the
people say,
types.
oh, what do you want a lead for? But then when you want to upgrade the tool or replace it,
yeah.
You know.
And the other thing is the efficiency of a compressor. I mean, these are market leaders because of the fact that they've developed this technology so well now over so many years.
It's economical, isn't it?
Yeah, I mean, you've got these last for ages, these batteries, and the gas just seems to be just goes on and on and on. In fact, quite often I'll run out of nails before I run out of gas.
Yeah.
So I have gas bottles left over, which is just where it should be.
Yeah. They're more convenient to use, I must admit.
Yeah,
because you've got the freedom of just running over a roof.
Yeah, and safety-wise as well, if you're working in a confined space and you're doing second fixing, you've got the responsibility of a hose. But and also as well, if you're finishing joinery, a hose may mark certain finished items as it pulled past. But no, these are just fantastic. I mean, what a lifesaver. I mean, I just ambassador for these people because the technology. I appreciate the technology. I also appreciate the effort that's gone in. I mean, you look at their operation; it's a global operation that just thinks about the end user, so end user focused, which is just great because I appreciate that. I know a lot of the other tradesmen I speak to appreciate that.
Oh
as well.
yeah, no, it's good kit.
Making up some grounds to catch the undercloak that goes up here, and basically keeping them as close to the corner as possible to support the ply. And also they're going to fix their frame into it, so this will be really nice and strong. The roof's now constructed. We've had the building inspector in. He's happy with it. He's had a good look at everything, timber sizes, what type of timber we've used. Just made sure that we've adhered to the engineer's details. We've put all the soffits down the sides. We've cut the eaves, we've put the soffits down the sides. And now I'm just about to create the under soffit up the gables. Basically we have to put a lot of framing out in here because we've got to support the ply, and also then there's going to be some more cladding going underneath that as well. And also we've got a large glazed area here which is going to need a lot of support. So I've put quite a lot of grounds in at the top underneath the gable. I've got another 2 to fix, and then I'll be ripping the rest of this ply down, which I'll be cladding up and down there to enable them to fix the frame. So I'm just going to get up there and fix these last 2, and then away we go. One more on the other side. There's grounds everywhere, top and bottom, so if you try to put a spike in anywhere, there's always grounds, okay? You don't want to miss anything. How's that?
That looks absolutely... In actual fact, that gutter will probably carry on past it,
that's
so you
nice.
won't even see it. And that's it.
I've just got to tease the back of this monitor, and now come to me a bit. That's it. About right there.
Yep.
Happy? I'll just get the mitre. I'll level it up.
Just don't move, Robbie.
Okay. You want a hand? Great. Both the same. Let's go and make those barge boards.
Now what's going on?
That's the nut section.
Just don't stop me now.
Just amazing, this thing. It's just so efficient.
We're on a building film site. You know, we tried to do needed doing. Not even in this case because they're not long enough. Is that one?
It's the single one.
Don't forget to subscribe.